You guys, so I got the robot vacuum here from the TikTok shop, and that thing mops and sweeps at the same time on its own. Like, I literally have to do nothing. Look at her. There she goes. I'm gonna smash some granola and then I'm gonna put it on the floor and see how well it cleans it. Okay, I think this should be fine. And I'm just gonna like leave a trail, and then I'm gonna bring her right here and see if it cleans that up. Okay, so now that I threw all that there, let me turn her on and see how well she cleans. No freaking way! She literally cleaned everything. Not one crumb. Are you serious? You are hired, baby girl. You are hired.